Venus, a planet named after the goddess of beauty. But beneath its clouds is a world of scorching heat, crushing pressure, and something that defies all logic. A single day on Venus is longer than an entire year. How does that happen? And what would it feel like to live there? Let's break it down. Let's start with the basics. A day is how long a planet takes to rotate once on its axis. A year is how long it takes to orbit the Sun. Now here's the twist. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one full spin. But it only takes 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. So technically, one Venus day is longer than its Venus year. Scientists still aren't entirely sure why Venus spins so slowly. One theory? Venus may have experienced a massive collision early in its history. A hit so strong it slowed its spin to a crawl. Another possibility? Thick atmospheric tides caused by solar radiation may have gradually slowed its rotation over billions of years. And here's something even weirder. Venus spins backwards, what's called retrograde rotation. That means the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. So, what would a day feel like on Venus? You'd wait nearly 4 Earth months just to see the Sun rise. Then you'd experience over 100 Earth days of endless scorching daylight, followed by another 120 days of darkness. But that's assuming you could even stand there. The surface temperature is over 860 degrees Fahrenheit, 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. And the pressure? It's like being 3,000 feet underwater on Earth. Time on Venus challenges everything we take for granted. Imagine trying to tell time in a world where day and year no longer align. Calendars, circadian rhythms, even seasons, none of it works the same. If humans ever colonized Venus's upper atmosphere, where conditions are more livable, we'd likely use Earth clocks to maintain sanity, because Venus time makes no sense to the human brain. A day that's longer than a year, a sun that rises in the west, and a planet that spins so slowly it might be trying to stop. Venus isn't just hot, it's hauntingly strange. Subscribe to Parallel Paradigm for more space facts that flip your perspective on the universe. Because in space, nothing is quite what it seems.